Okay, I can show you on the same project how to do the extended single crochet. And this is, I think, let me see. Okay, down here is the regular single crochet. And I didn't do extended anywhere else except at the end of the project, so it's scrap, so whatever. Let's see. See, I'm still got double crochet on the brain. Let's see. To do the stitch, let's go down, catch, yarn over, 1, 2, down, 1, 2. That's all you need to do is go down, yarn over, pull through 2. Or you can just, like I did with the other, count your loops. That might help. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and if your hook will cooperate, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now there it is, and it looks slightly different. It's just a loop longer than the single crochet, but it's not as tall as the half double crochet. So if you need a stitch with a little more height to it, use this one. You get straightened up here, and I'll crochet a little bit more. One, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't worry, it's not Meow Kitty in the bathroom and putting around. That's my nephew. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I got a long way to go. The half double extended stitch, same way. Go down, pull through 1 loop, 3 loops, but the same principles apply. Give it an extra loop. Where the double crochet was 1, 2, and 2, where the single crochet was 1 and 2, the half double is 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And you probably need to count until you get used to doing the stitch that way. One and 3. Now it's not as tall as a regular double crochet, but it's a little bit taller, just like a loop taller than half double crochet. One and 3. 1, 3. That's how you do it. That's how it looks from that side. If I can get it turned around right. And here's a regular half double crochet. And you can see this is just a little bit taller. I'm doing the extended double crochet. It's really easy to do. You're just adding on another loop, another level to the double crochet stitch. You can do this with the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the treble. Now the treble you can just take on to infinity. That's where you get into lace. But we're not doing that today. We're doing the double crochet extended stitch. And I can show you in this little bit of space because I'm getting ready to come up to my next row. As me and Kitty jumping around in the background. Just yarn over, go through, pull through, stop right there. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, pull through two. There we go. That's it. Now this is not as tall as a treble. It's just a little bit taller than a double. So if you're looking for that height of a stitch, this is the stitch you need to use. It's a real easy stitch. If you can remember what you're doing. Double crochet is ingrained in my brain. Oops, two. Let's try to remember 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Make sure I got it in the right hole. Yep. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. There you have it. And it's a nice looking stitch. Now this down here is a half double I was working on. Now in order to finish this, I got enough to make another round on my blanket. So I'll probably do, let's see, it's time to do a single. And I'll probably do it extended also, so I can use up as much yarn as possible before I get to the last color. But that's how you do the extended double crochet. Not bad, is it? I put a pin where I stopped. The single extended stitch right there. Go around the hook twice. Down, pull through, one loop, 2, 2, hold her if you have to, 2. Really tall. And if you look at it in the abstract, it's just a chain. That's all it is. Now this stitch, like any of the others, you can go higher. Just keep. Let's do that one again. Then do 2, 2, 2. See the difference? It's really tall. That's why I say you can go on to infinity, because you can just keep on doing that chain and it'll just like grow, 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 grow. And that is real helpful to do when you're doing lace. Do another one. There. There. Very tall. Now I'm going to do a regular treble. See, it's a little shorter. Okay, it's making like a shape. But that's how you do the extended treble or triple stitch. Just a little imagination. No harm in that. I hope this video has helped you see that there are variations to any basic stitch that you can customize for your own use. I encourage you to play with your stitching. You never know what you might create. And if you're worried about the Crochet Police, they're your stitches. Do what you want with them. Every loop on a stitch is a potential for a new stitch or stitch pattern. Play and have fun.